Hello, Great Britain. What can I get you? 3 pistachios ice cream for me, Scotland, and Wales. Thank you. Hello. And what's your favorite ice cream?
Strawberry flavor. Hey, don't decide for me. Yeah, when are you one country anyway? No, I am a separate state.
Wait a minute, China. I don't understand. So are you guys one country?
Yes, but no one recognizes your independence. We can take the U.S. as an example. Am I right?
Of course. There is only one China. But if China tries to attack you, I'll come to defend you.
Hi, I heard that. This is actually our personal business. I won't attack you, but unraveling way to become one state with me. I want autonomy. Alright, you will be autonomous, but Hong Kong will join me. Oh, that sounds fair. And Hong Kong will appreciate the ideas of socialism. No way! You are imposing your will again! You are the one who's talking rubbish. We've always been a one state. Not at all. Look at yourself and look at me.
When are they going to come to an agreement? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. The new video is already on the channel.